Hi, my name is Newell Davis with World Composting, and today we're going to look at our Urban Worm Bag version 2.0. So this is the one that has my European night crawlers in it. It's been over a month since we last checked on it, and the last time we added half a coconut to it to just see if they could hollow it out or what would happen to it. So we're going to take a look and see if we can find that coconut. We're going to probably add some food, as I'm sure they need food by now. And hopefully we can see how they're starting to work on this bedding material that we piled up in there to get rid of those fruit flies. And hopefully they're working their way through it and up to the surface so we can start really adding some food and get this churning through food again as it used to be. So let's go and take a look. All right, so here's the Urban Worm Bag. Let's open this up and take a look. I have not added any food or even opened it up since we last added things. Let's just take a look here and see how it's doing. Oh, wow. First off, there's some moisture on the lid here, which is a good sign. And there's also a couple of springtails. Those are harder to see, though. But you can see right here, there's a lot of moisture on the lid, or on the top here, on this right here. So this material is starting to, and actually there's already worms. Look at that. There's already worms here working on this material on the top, trying to get up and move around. So I'm sorry I'm bumping the camera a little bit here. It's a little hard on this. Let's just see what we've got in here. Look at this. Nice, rich material. We've got worms right there, and you can see, if you can see them, there's some springtails on there. They're doing really, this is looking really good. This is starting to come back already. Let's just see what we've got here. I can feel, oh, this is a t-shirt. So the t-shirt in here. Doesn't really have much going on with it. I'm not seeing a lot of worms on it. But let's just put that off to the side for now. Along with this, okay, we've got a lot of material. Still, we have a lot of this cardboard, unfortunately, that we need. We're gonna have to slowly churn through here. Oh, here's a piece of something right here. I don't know if this is an apple or something, but it's got a couple worms on it right there that they're working on. I'm gonna put that off to the side as well. Worm right here too. Just put him over there. And let's just dig down here a little bit more. Oh, I found our coconut shell. So all the food we had put though in here last time, I think, was above this shell. So that's a good sign that really I didn't find much. Let's just dump this out here if I can, or scrape it out. So you can see a little bit of an odor from that. That smells a little bit, that coconut in there, but you can see there's a bunch of little worms in there squirming around, but that definitely smells. We're going to let them continue to work at that. But I'm not seeing anything else really in here. I mean, all this food is gone. Oh, here we go. Here's a corn on the cob. These things take a while to break down. That's not a big deal. Other than that, it looks like all the food is gone. I'm not sure what that was. I don't know, that could have been something maybe, but it looks like the primary food is gone. So we're going to dig back down in here again, kind of mix this around a little bit. And again, we're going to add in a ton of food. Again, it's going to go right above this coconut shell. We're going to put it right in the middle, as we did last time. And we're going to add a lot of food in here. So I have an entire container again of just a random mix of food. Scrape out some of this stuff in here. There we go. Now, we've got bananas, we've got orange, we've got, some avocado pits. Those take a long time to break down. Avocado peels, which take a long time. But we've got bananas, apples. We have a couple of, I think these are leaves from some plants that we had, some celery, some clementines. So just a nice variety of food. We're not going to add any, I'm not going to add any oyster shell or crab shell or egg shell or any of those things at this time. I think we've got plenty of stuff in here for them to break down. I think there should be enough grit in here for them as well. So we're just going to kind of push this down in here, and we're going to cover this back up again. As we did last time, we're just going to take this material, rake it back over the top, plow a little bit of that back in, and we're just going to let this sit again. I mean, we're going to make this a quick update. Remember, if you're looking to buy one of these systems, I do have links down below in my In my comments, I've been adding links, but also in my descriptions, I have links to purchase and some of the equipment that I'm using also off of Amazon. So that's our update. We're just going to continue to try to add food to this and see if we can get this to kind of lower down and get rid of, get them to consume this cardboard that's in here. Because we've got a lot of cardboard that we need to go through in this system. And I've been hoping that I can really start to work through it, but it's just been a very slow process. So thank you for watching. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you're looking to purchase one of these systems, please, help me out and use the links down below. It helps convince me to keep making this content for everyone. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.